Good day to all speakers and moderators. This is a simple video for you to refer to begin your registration using EventX. Okay. Firstly, you will receive an invitation email to Tuanku Jaffa Conference and Workshop by EventX email. Then you click the email. There you will be invited to join as a speaker or moderator for Tengku Jaffa Conference and Workshop. Okay. Please scroll down until you see Create EventX Account button. Okay. Click the Create EventX button to sign up an EventX account. Okay, there will be an EventX portal reappear in your screen. Fill in your password to register and log in. Your password is according to your email account. Okay. Lastly, your plenary session will appear in the screen. Okay, plenary session 1 or plenary session 2. Okay. You can enter the site 1 hour in advance of the event start time. Okay, by clicking the Go Back stage. Okay, here is the Go Back stage. You can only enter your plenary session according to the date given. For example, if your plenary session is on the 30th December, you can enter to the Go Back stage on the 13th December. If your plenary session is on 14th December, you can also click the Go Back stage on that particular day. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon.